Hi, my name is Dutch with Murdock Manufacturing. Today we are going to show you how to replace most any installed water fountain with our new Wash and Go hand washing station. This will make it easier to wash hands anywhere by bringing hand washing out of the restroom. To change out an existing drinking fountain, simply loosen the screws and remove the front cover. Unplug the unit if it's a cooler, disconnect your trap and water supply. You are now ready to remove the existing unit from the wall. Simply remove the 3 screws and bracket. With the old bracket removed, you can now install the new universal bracket. Align the new bracket to the existing holes and secure. You are now ready to mount the new EZ Wash-N-Go unit. Place the new unit on the universal bracket and secure. Next, reattach the trap. Connect the freshwater supply line to the non-metering valve, then connect the 1/4-inch hose from the faucet to the non-metering valve. This sensor-operated faucet may be used with electric or with the included battery pack. Next, attach the bottom wrapper and secure with provided hardware. Next, place and center the rear alcove splash guard bracket and secure. Attach the rear alcove splash guard to the previously installed bracket and tighten. The new EZ Wash-N-Go unit can be used with the manually operated soap dispenser. Model number PS, Pump Liquid Soap Dispenser. The new EZ Wash-N-Go unit may also be used with the sensor-operated soap dispenser. Model number SSO, Sensor-Operated Soap Dispenser. The EZ Wash-N-Go is designed for retrofit applications and features a universal mounting bracket for fast and easy installation. For any further instructions or questions, please contact Murdock Manufacturing.